Welcome students in my new tutorial based upon MS Word 2016. So my dear students, I'll be starting this series of tutorials based upon MS Word. So first of all, I should open MS Word. So I'll directly type here Word, and then you could see here the icon, although you could see the icon on the desktop also. Actually, this is the desktop. So here also in your computer you may find the icon, or either you can just follow this step. You will type here word and you can see here the word is coming. So I'll click upon this icon, and as result this interface means this type of screen will come in front of you. So it's asking Microsoft Word isn't your default program. I'll click on no simply, and then these are the templates, but I'll not use this one. I'll just click blank document, and then you could see this kind of interface. On the top you will see here file, home, insert, design, layout, different options, and according to the options you could see the panels at the bottom, or you could say a toolbars. So first of all, because this is a first tutorial, you can start by typing directly. So suppose any name I can type here, Sophia Convent School. So I've typed the name of school. So it looks something like this. One thing more, when you on your Word, or first time when you are on the computer doing MS Word, sometimes you may not see this panel on the top. So sometimes what happen, this panel is not there. It can be off from here also. Collapse the ribbon, Control plus F1. So if I do like this, you may not find the ribbon. In case you want that ribbon back, what you could do, you could click here. This option is here, ribbon display options. You could click here and then show tabs and commands. You can click here, and as a result you will find the ribbon back. So as I have typed the name of the school, you have to press left mouse button of your mouse. You have to select like this. How? Press left mouse button, don't leave the left mouse button, and drag. After dragging, here also the option is coming. Here also the option is coming. From here you could increase the size of the text, suppose 18, or from here also increase font size, decrease font size. You can click from here, or from here also. But make sure this whole text should be selected. Once it is selected, then only you could apply any feature. Like I want to increase the font size, I can click on this capital A, or to if I want to decrease, I can just click it here. You could see here also the numbers are there, font size, it's increasing. And then after this, if you want to change the writing style, we used to say it as fonts. So from here we have very beautiful styles of fonts. You could click any or select any. Suppose I have selected this one. You could see it's appearing something like this. Let's change some other style of the font. Suppose Arial Black I'll select. Even you have very beautiful style like brush script. If I click on this, you see running hand style. So I can increase the size. So it's appearing like this. I hope it is clear to you. And after doing this, now if you want to save your file, suppose I have typed this name, I want to save the file, what I should do, click on file, then you could see here save and save as. There is little difference between save and save as. If you click save as every time, it will always give a new name to a file. And this save, it allows to save the modifications what you made to a file. So first time, because I'm saving this file first time, this save option will also work as save as only, because you have not given any name to a file. So I click on save as. I want to save this file in my PC, desktop, and in desktop I have students folder. You can use any folder, but if you have students folder, you can just double click it. And if you have your class folder also, or your name folder, you can save your file there. So I'll save it as Sophia Convent School name only, and then click on save. And as a result, you could see here on the top the name of the file is appearing. Even if you save this file with your own name, that name will appear on the top, and this guarantees that next time when you close the file, you can always open that file. It will not be deleted. I'll show you. Suppose I close this file, and now I'll just search where my students folder is. I have the students folder here. If I'll double click it, and here somewhere my file will be there. You could see here my file is there. I'll click this one, I'll double click, and this way also my file will be open. So two different ways are there, either this way, or either you can always click open, and you have to click from where I have gone, file, open, and from here, like the file which just now I have saved, I can always click here and this file will be open. So two ways are there, so you can use any way. So with this, I'll close my tutorial number 1. If anything is not clear, you are always welcome to comment at the bottom, or you can directly ask me in school. So I'm closing my tutorial, and if you like my tutorial, please do like, share and comment. So okay, bye, and wait for my next tutorial.